Hi, today we are going to solve one more problem in Bode plot. Okay, first I read the problem. A Bode plot, that is magnitude plot for the transfer function g of s of a plant, is shown in figure. Which one of the following transfer function best describes the plant? Okay, here is the Bode plot of the transfer function g of s, and here we have four choices. The choice A is 1000 into s plus 10 divided by s plus 1000. And option B is 10 into s plus 10 divided by s into s plus 1000. And option C is s plus 1000 divided by 10s into s plus 10. And option D is s plus 1000 divided by 10 into s plus 10. Come, let's solve the problem. Stop. Solution. First, we have to consider the initial slope of the Bode plot. Okay, this is the step 1. We have to consider the initial slope of the Bode plot. From this initial slope, we can find the type of the system. Okay, here there is the initial slope of the Bode plot here is 0 dB per decade. Okay, so here there is no slope. So the slope is 0 dB per decade. So from this information, we can say that the given transfer function g of s is type 0 system. So that is our first information, type 0 system. So this is our step 1, and we have found out the type of the system. Okay. So next we have to find the change in slope. Okay. So the slope is the initial magnitude of the transfer function is 20 dB. Okay. So this 20 dB maintains up to the corner frequency 10 radian per second. So after this corner frequency, what happens? The slope changes. Okay, after this corner frequency, the slope changes, and when the frequency is 1000 hertz or 1 kilohertz, we have another change in slope. So now first we have to find the slope between point A and point B. Okay, so in order to find out the slope between these 2 points, first we have to mention the coordinate points. Okay, the point A is defined as, in the x-axis it has frequency as 10 hertz, but it is logarithmic scale, so we have written as log 10. Okay, and the corresponding y magnitude is 20 dB per decade. Okay, when we consider to the point B, here the x-axis is log 1000, or it may be 1 kilohertz. The corresponding y magnitude is minus 20. Okay, so this is going to be x1 y1, and this is going to be x2 y2. Okay, so from this information, next we are going to find the slope, that is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, that is minus 20 minus 20 minus 20 divided by log of 1000 minus log 10. Okay, that is equal to minus 40 divided by log 1000 divided by 10. Log 1000 minus log 10 can be written as log 1000 by 10, and we get minus 20 into, this is 100, log 100, and it can be written as 2 log 10. Okay, so log 10 is 1, and we get minus 20. Okay, so the slope between point A to B is minus 20 dB per decade. Okay, next we have to find the change in slope. Initially the slope is 0 dB. In this point the slope is minus 20 dB. So what is the change in slope? 0 minus 20. So that is equal to, change in slope is minus 20. It is negative. So the slope 10 radian per second corresponds to pole of the transfer function. So this is our next information. Okay, and next we have to find point B and point C. That is, after this 1 kilohertz, there is no change in the magnitude of the transfer function occurs. Okay, after this 10 kilohertz, after this 1 kilohertz, the magnitude is minus 20 dB only. Okay, so here the slope will be equal to 0 dB. At this line, what is the slope? 0 dB per decade, because there is no change in the y magnitude, so there is no change in slope. Okay, what is the slope here? Minus 20. So the change in slope will be minus 20 plus 20 equal to this 0 dB. Okay. So the change in slope is minus 20 plus 20 equal to 0 dB. As the change in slope is positive compared to this minus 20, this corner frequency 1 kilohertz corresponds to 0 of the transfer function. Okay, this corner frequency 1 kilohertz is a 0 of the transfer function. So overall we can formulate the transfer function g of s equal to k into 1 plus s divided by 1000, because this 1000 is this 1000 corresponds to 0 of the transfer function divided by 1 plus s by 10, because this 10 corresponds to pole of the transfer function and it is a type 0 system because initially there is no change in slope. The initial slope is 0 dB. So this is the overall formula of the transfer function. So from this, first we have to find the k value. Okay. So the k value can be found out from the given figure. So initially the magnitude of the transfer function is 20 dB. So this 20 dB magnitude is equated to 20 log of k. Okay. So 20 log of k equal to 20 and log k equal to 1. Okay. So k equal to 10 to the power 1, that is equal to 10. So the value of k equal to 10. So now we can substitute this value in the given transfer function. G of s equal to 10 into 1 plus s by 1000 divided by 1 plus s by 10. Okay. So if we take LCM, then we get s plus 1000 divided by 1000 whole divided by s plus 10 by 10. Okay. And finally we get 10 into s plus 1000 by 1000 into 10 divided by s plus 10, and here 1 0, here 1 0 occurs, and we get s plus 1000 divided by 10 into s plus 10. Okay, which is nothing but our option D. So option D is the correct answer. Thank you.